best friend, right? Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. What's our channel again?
Oventure!
Yeah! Today we received a box from Amazon. And we are going to open this and what's in here. Let's check it out. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Boom! Whoa! Look at this. This is the Magic Doodle Mat from CHEERFUN. Today's video is sponsored by CHEERFUN. Thank you guys for sending us to review your toy. Okay, let's take it out from the box. Whoa. Whoa. So it's called the Magic Doodle Mat. And it says only fill water into the magic pen. You can doodle the magic mat as you like. No ink, no chemical. That is great for young kids. It's safe for babies and toddlers so they don't put it in their mouth or they make a big mess. This is great. So it's a zipping bag, right? So it's pretty easy to take it out.
Oh, I did it the wrong way.
Did the wrong way?
Oh yeah. It was already open.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
What is this?
Ah.
What does it smell like?
Like a remote control.
Remote control. It smells new. It smells like awesome toy.
Yeah.
Let me smell it too. It smells new. Okay. What?
There.
Whoa, it says SeaWorld, and it's got some fish on there, turtle, whale, the mermaid, jellyfish, cool. Alright.
And even stuff.
And then here's a pen we can write on there. Let's check it out. Alright, so here it came with the numbers you can play. And also it's got different alphabets. And this is a different shapes, circle, square, triangle, heart you can draw. And then this is another letters. And then it came with the instructions here. Oh, it's got the drawing kit. It tells you how to draw. Whoa, you can draw a crocodile, hippopotamus, dolphin, fish, squid, crab, shrimp. What else? Satellite. Ooh, E.T.
This is from a space rocket out of space.
Oh, rocket. Oh, so many choices. That's cool. And what's this one? Let's see.
That's the crayons.
Ooh. Okay.
Hey there.
Whoa, look at this.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's fill this with water and then we'll start drawing. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. We just fill this pen with water.
There you go.
Yeah. So let's see what it does. Start writing on. I'm gonna draw a straight line. Ooh.
Look at mine.
Wow, look at this. It's blue, it turns green. Over here it's pink, and then it turns red. It's a rainbow color.
See, mine turns
Yellow.
green.
Yeah. So this is only using water, filled with water. So there's no chemicals, no mess. I write on his face.
Hey!
There's nothing on there. See? There's nothing on your face. So it's safe.
Ah!
Yeah. You just write on here. I'm gonna write.
And safe here.
Yeah. You know what it says?
Yeah.
It says Kids Toy Adventure.
Oh yeah. Kids Toy Adventure.
Yeah.
Yay.
Square. Whoa. You made a heart.
I'm gonna do this one first.
Watch. Follow the rule. Watch. I do a satellite. See that? So here. I think rocket's easy. You make this circle.
Oh,
Try this circle. rocket ship following the book. Awesome job, buddy.
I'm gonna do another easy.
Another easy one?
Works
How about a
easy.
doggy?
Oh yeah, doggy.
Okay, let's do a doggy one.
First we mean the head.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the nose first.
All right. Sounds like
Take the tails back here.
Yeah.
And I'm forgetting. I made a doggy.
Yeah. Okay.
That was easy.
Okay.
Hi. Okay.
Different pen here, and this one actually uses a UV light to draw on here.
I want a book.
It glows in the dark. So you want to try writing with this one?
Yeah.
Watch. All you do is you turn the light on, and then you can write on here. Whoa! Look, it glows in the dark.
Whoa!
Try to write it.
Whoa!
Whoa!
It's yellow.
That is cool. Look at that, lights up.
Yeah. Right above.
Whoa. Wow, square.
Now oval.
Oh, you know oval shape?
Yeah.
Wow. Good job. What is that one? This is fun, huh?
Yeah.
Awesome. This is cool. Play this all day. It's so fun, huh?
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. I'll go first. I'm gonna go here. You're X.
Okay. I'm gonna block your way.
Okay. I'm gonna go here. Oh, you blocked me. I'm gonna go here. Uh-oh, you're in trouble now. I win 3 in a row. Right, kids, boy, Oventure, please subscribe and hit the like button. This is very affordable, so if you have birthdays coming up, I know the Christmas is just right around the corner. This would be a great gift for the kids. So thank you again for CHEERFUN. Go check them out.
Yeah.
This is easy to clean up.
It's safe.
Yeah, it's safe. There are no chemicals, no messy at all. So this is great for young kids, even for babies. I mean, they can play with it. It's not going to be a mess. If we give the rating, Oventure rating, if you give 5 stars, the max, what would you give?
10.
10 stars? Whoa, that's the highest. Anyways, I will recommend this to everybody. This is definitely 5 out of 5. So please don't forget to check the link below to check the item out on Amazon and also the CHEERFUN, their website. And if you guys like to get a discount, don't forget to check the description below so you get a 10% discount. And please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and please everybody don't forget to be well, be kind.
Yay! Super Rabbit!
Bye guys!
Bye!